The first portal is now open.
Burning green Tara Tibetan incense. Burning a violet prosperity candle.
You must be free of influences in order to invoke.
The second portal is now open.
You found an amethyst gemstone egg.
You are purified in the cleansing radiation.
Your super beacon is turned on, tuned into matrix, and dropped out of phase factor. Your matrix attunement was successful. Coupling factor is in.
100 to resist lies.
$200 to resist all past life impactions.
Wear this deluxe sterling silver lucky prosperity amulet on York West. $100 to resist all post-hypnotic suggestions.
You read the Book of Isis.
Hello, my name is Myron the Magic Finding Dragon.
$500 to resist negativity. $1,000 to resist temptation.
Blue prosperity generator activated. Red prosperity generator activated. Yellow prosperity generator activated. Green prosperity generator activated.
Take this red prosperity lucky wand. Take this Atlantean rainbow aura crystal. Stage 1 angelic invocation achieved. $100 to resist seduction. Stage 2 angelic invocation achieved.
Diffusing yellow prosperity sandalwood oil. $100 to wall of protection and circle of peace.
$1,000 to resist stupidity. $1,000 to resist distraction. $200 to resist past life pain. $200 to resist past and present life betrayals.
The third portal is now open.
Stage 3 angelic invocation achieved.
$200 to resist overwhelm.
Stage 4 angelic invocation achieved.
Diffusing green prosperity jasmine oil.
You receive angelic blessings. Freedom now from this karmic attachment. Freedom now from this quantum entanglement. Freedom now from this past life influence.
$300 to resist being run by others. 200 points to resist external programming.
Stage 5 Angelic Invocation achieved.
Diffusing blue prosperity musk oil.
Stage 6 Angelic Invocation achieved.
200 to resist all past life impactions.
Stage 7 Angelic Invocation achieved.
500 points to resist overwhelm.
Stage 8 Angelic Invocation achieved.
Burning some red prosperity protection powder.
Stage 9 Angelic Invocation completed. All past life pain released.
If you continue in this direction, the level will shut down and take you to the Earth Game.com downloads page.
You have made a successful run.